You're logging into your bank on what looks like a secure site, same URL and same layout. Nothing feels off. You type your username and password and then hit enter. However, someone is reading everything in plain text. No fake website and no warning signs. Just a silent downgrade from secure HTTPS to HTTP happening behind the scenes. Your data reaches the real server safely, but not before it passes through someone else's hands. This is SSL stripping and it's almost invisible. Let's take a look at SSL stripping attack. In this attack, the encryption is silently removed. The attacker positions themselves as a man in the middle, on the same Wi-Fi network, via ARP spoofing, or through a rogue access point. All traffic between the user and the internet flows through the attacker's machine. The user types bank.com without specifying HTTPS. Their browser sends a plain HTTP request. Normally the server would redirect to HTTPS, but the attacker intercepts this request first. The attacker establishes their own legitimate HTTPS connection to the bank server. From the server's perspective, this is a normal secure connection. The attacker receives the HTTPS response from the bank, decrypts it, changes all HTTPS links to HTTP, and forwards the modified page to the victim over plain HTTP. The victim enters their username and password. Because their browser is connected to the attacker via HTTP, the form submission travels in plaintext to the attacker. The attacker reads the credentials, then forwards them to the real server over their HTTPS connection. The bank sends a valid login response. The victim believes they logged in successfully. However, the attacker captured the credentials and session token without the victim knowing anything was wrong.